Hi friends, welcome to Karishma's recipe cookbook. Today I'm going to make onion fritters. 1 cup of chickpea flour, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of salt, quarter cup of green garlic, 4 green chilies thinly chopped, 6 or 7 curry leaves, 1 large onion thinly sliced. Mix well all together. I'm using a 1 cup of water. Use a little water at a time. And make the batter consistency thicker. Now I'm using a peanut oil. Make sure your oil is hot enough so you can deep fry the fritters. For frying the fritters, I'm adding a little of amount. So it's getting golden brown now and it's look crispier. Now it's done perfectly golden brown. Now I'm going to decorate onion fritters and with the green chutney. If you like my recipe, please subscribe my channel on YouTube, like, share, comment, and don't forget to press icon bell. Thank you.